Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to customize the colors and fonts of your website. This is important because colors and fonts make your website look clean, professional and match your brand. Alright, first of all click on customize. This will open the live customizer where you can change how your site looks. Now click on colors. Here you will see different color options. Theme color, this is your website main color. Text color, this controls the color of your regular text. Link accent color, this is for clickable links and important highlights. Link over color, this shows when someone moves their mouse over a link. Extra color 1 and 2, just extra options for other areas. Let's change the theme color. Click on it, choose any color you like and boom, your site changes instantly. You can do the same for the other colors one by one. This is super easy. Now let's go back and customize your buttons. Click on button option. Here you can change button text color, button text over color, button background color and button background over color. This helps make your button stand out and match your brand. Next, let's go the layout section and select the top bar. Go to design and here you can change the background color and also the text inside it. Simple and clean look, done in seconds. Let's now change the header. Go back, click on normal header, then go to design. Here you can update the background color, icon color and even the color of small things like card counts or icons. Go back, now scroll down and click on the footer. Inside design you can change footer background color, also change link and text color in the footer. Make sure everything is readable and clean. After that, go to general settings. At the bottom you will see a copyright line something like 2021 Hostify. Change 2021 to 2025 and replace Hostify with your site name. Now that everything looks perfect, don't forget to hit publish to save all your changes. Let's move on to fonts now. Click on the fonts option in customizer. You will see three main sections: body, primary menu and headings. Body font is your main paragraph text across this site. You can change the font style, font size and line height here. Pick what looks best to you. Primary menu, this is your navigation menu at the top. Here you can set the font size and style for your top navigation menu. I am keeping the font same, just changing the size to make it easy to read. Heading, these are heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 titles on the pages. You can set different sizes for h1, h2, h3 and so on. These are used for your titles and subheadings. Choose sizes that looks balanced and clear. And that's it. We just customize your colors and fonts in WordPress step by step. Now your site looks more professional and matches your style. Let's move on to the next lesson. See you there.